26 switched up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Get with it to get rolled over, man. In the 79, cruising through the city. Two-tone paint job, ain't nobody fucking with it. Arrow coupe up on the window, no need to get it tinted. Them white folks see me, it's a nigga up in it. Swerving through the marketplace, hitting all of the switches. Trump steady rallying, cause that motherfucker hitting. 13 to the concrete, you know I keep it spinning. Head like dancing, like we playing with the switches. To earn the plaque, you had to switch it up and had to sit. Hit that like, comment, subscribe, and check that 68 business. 78 up on the wind, bro, ain't short until it's finished.
What up, YouTube? Back again with another one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Switched Up 26 here, man. Hey, man, we back with another episode of the Mini Truck, man. Yes, sir. More maintenance, y'all. More maintenance. You know how it goes. So today is Saturday, man. I'm just chillaxing today. I've been bull jiving. I actually don't really want to do nothing, but you know what I'm saying? I can't sit down. You know what I'm saying? I'm always on the go, so I gotta do something. So, what we're gonna do today is, man, we're gonna jump on the front cylinder. The front cylinder is leaking. So, what we did is, bought some new seals for it. Some new seals. So, we're gonna get the cylinder broke down and thrown back together, man. So, basically, I ain't took the cylinder off or nothing yet. I got cylinders laying around that's been leaking before when I just been buying replacements, man. So I got a couple of cylinders stacked up. So now's the time to start rebuilding them. So I got backup sitting on the shelf. So when one does go bad, I got one to throw in till I can get a replacement, or you know what I'm saying, or we just keep running, man. So need to do a couple of other things too, man. I need to get a charge. I need to throw the truck on a charge. So get them batteries hot. I haven't really, I don't even think I've charged them, man. So since we started running it, man, and it's been like 2 months, man. So I ain't even charged them. And even the last time when I drove the truck, man, that was a couple of days ago, man. She was still kind of hot, but you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna still charge these batteries, man. So, check this out. What we're gonna do, man? Got a battery charger. Got a battery charger. I'm gonna set y'all up on the stand. Set y'all up on the stand. We're gonna grab the mini truck and we're gonna pull it right here so we can jack up. The rain did start, man. Like I said, I've been bull jiving all day, so the rain did start. So I gotta get my garage cleaned out too, man. It's going crazy. Like, so we are gonna pull the truck to the other side of the yard so I can jack it up on the concrete. Gotta pull the driver's side cylinder, which is the one that's leaking, man. So hopefully this rain stop. I got the cover, so I can throw the battery charger in the back and just throw the cover back on and get a charge on that. So that's what we're gonna do, man. So y'all keep it locked, man. I'm gonna turn you back on. Might hit you with a little time lapse or something. We're gonna see what you do. All right. we're gonna go ahead and throw the mini truck on the charger. So yo, I'll go ahead and throw the mini truck on the charger. Let's get on the charger before it start pouring down, raining. Close up real quick. Get this thing in so cover where it don't get wet. Grab these leads real quick, y'all. See, guys, oh, I said I need to put them on the charger, man. It's been like 2 months, and I've been running and ain't charging. 2 of the batteries was at 11.7. 2 of them was at 12.4. So the one that was the lowest was back here at the end. So put one on our switch. Put one on our switch wire, and then the last 3. So we're gonna see how that goes. We're gonna let this do its thing. Do its thing. They all seem to be charging up, so we're gonna do that. Let me lock this up real quick, and we're gonna set you up on the stand so we can break that cylinder down. Hopefully the rain don't pour on us too bad, or it'll slow down. Hold on 1 second, I'm gonna turn you back on. Alright guys, so we back, man. So today we're gonna be learning together, man. We got the seals. We're gonna go ahead and start trying to break down the cylinder, man, and see if, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it by hand or not. I don't know if I need a vise in here or what, man. This is my first time doing it, so we're gonna learn together, man. So let's see, man. Let's see what we can do. I don't know how this works. We gonna figure it out though. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna need some tools. We might not be figuring it out here, y'all. Man, I got us some channel locks. Let's see if I can break it with this. Nah, that ain't gonna happen. Well, y'all, we stuck before we even get started, cuz. This might be a shop adventure then, y'all. The channel locks, they ain't big enough. They're not wide enough for me to even. Probably might need a pipe wrench or something, man. I ain't got no pipe wrench here. Got some at the shop, so. Well, I guess that's gonna be the end of this. I might delete this recording. Alright guys, so we back, man. We got this cylinder. Man, I scratched it up, y'all. I scratched it up bad. This thing was so seized on there, man. What in the world was going on? And I thought I had y'all on the time lapse when I was doing that. Didn't have y'all on that. So right now we breaking down the cylinder, trying to get it all cleaned out. We're gonna start breaking it down, man. Like I said, this is my first one doing. So we still learning, y'all. So let's see if we can get this thing up out of here. Trying to pull it out, y'all. It don't want to come. Trying not to scratch it up or anything. Malfunction. Malfunction, y'all. Malfunction. I'm trying not to scratch it up. But can't get it out. I don't know, y'all. Stuck again. Brass fitting came out. She look rough, but she don't feel rough, y'all. Brass fitting. This thing might still have compression. Sorry, y'all. I got y'all out of the camera. She not budging though, y'all. I'm doing anything at this point trying to get it out. This cylinder might be some good, y'all. Knocked over my whole drink. Tripping. Y'all, I'm discombobulated right now. So I might be pulling this out for no reason. You know what? Got an idea, y'all. Let's see if we can get a bolt. Put it on the back side of the cylinder. See if we can get anything to catch. It's probably too small. Yup. I doubt if I got anything that big, y'all. Here at the house. We striking out again, y'all. We striking out again. So got no bolts that big, y'all. So that's a strikeout. Try something else. Try something else, y'all. Go back to my old trusty pipe wrench. Take this end off. And see if off. So we ain't got no fluid. See if we can push her down without scarring nothing up. There it is, y'all. There. Finally got her out, yo. So she don't look halfway bad. Trying to see into this cylinder itself. I don't see no scarring. See some rubbing, like some wear, but no burrs. Okay, it's a little rough right there. So we're gonna get us a piece of cloth or a piece of sandpaper. Try to knock that down. This gasket and this backing actually looks good in this cylinder, y'all. Don't look bad at all. Of course, I scratched my top. Screw that back down. Everything looks pretty good, man. Looks pretty good, y'all. So we're gonna try to run this down in here. No, you don't supposed to do it this way, y'all. But I'm just basically trying to rub it down in there. Now I'm just gonna put some scratches and some indents in there, so we'll try to smooth it out as best as I can. Nothing perfect, man. Good enough for me. I just don't want no leaky cylinder, cuz that thing's annoying. So what we gonna do now is we're gonna I'm gonna cut you off, turn you back on. We're gonna get out there to the truck, get the truck set up, and throw the cylinder in the whatchamacallit. So y'all keep it locked. Alright, gang, so we back, man. We got the cylinder all checked out, man. I think that cylinder is good, like I said, man. Yeah, way too much compression on it. So we're gonna go ahead and just throw her in. I'm still got the rebuild kit. I'm gonna rebuild this one that I have. But right now, man, we got her jacked up, all ready to go. So we're gonna see if we can get up under here real quick. Throw this, take the cylinder, change it out. So all you gotta do is get the truck off the ground, release your pressure off your cylinder, release your pressure off the cylinder, and then you can start cracking your line, man. Start cracking your line. Sorry if I'm all over the place with the camera, guys. Yeah, just crack your lines. This thing leaking like crazy, y'all. So yeah, just crack your line. Get your line all the way off. Try not to leak. We're gonna leak hydraulic fluid. Try not to get it running out too much. Then you gotta go down to the bottom. Just get the cylinder and spring everything out, man. So try to do that real quick. See if I can put y'all at the right angle, man. If y'all can see what's going on or not. Let's flip you around. Flip you around like that. There we go. This little stand don't want to work with me, y'all. Oh, it ain't operating right. So yeah. So just get that your line crack, and then you can pretty much just come up in here like that. Get your cylinder. Sometimes your spring get caught in this cup. Well, y'all know what I would do. Remember, I think they welded these. They welded them, if I'm not mistaken. Gonna leak fluid. Yo, gonna leak fluid. I don't remember how I got these out of here last time. I think these are welded, if I'm not mistaken, guys. Trying to get this thing up out here. Is our boat still on
she coming out, y'all. She coming out. Believe that. I think it was maybe a 15, maybe a 16, 17. Hold up real quick. I'm gonna grab my wrench. Yeah, guys, so no matter if she wants to or not, she coming up out of there. No matter if she wants to or not. Let's see. How long will extension? I'm gonna need. But yeah, she coming up out of there. Like I said, whether she wants to or not. Bigger than a 17, y'all. See, it's the 18. Fighting myself, y'all. Okay. Oh, I'm about to say. Like that. Get her out of the way. Straight like that. That's how we do that. Boom. Just like that, y'all. Stuff all nasty. Try to wipe down this spring, y'all. This thing disgusting. I do like this Ingenuity. See, this is an old build, man. So this thing they didn't have deep cups back then. So them jokers said, weld it up. Keep that joker in there, bro. So that's what they did. They welded it up. So we're gonna grab our cylinder and we're gonna throw it right back up. Don't forget to put your donut on. Run it right back up in the hole, man. Yes, sir. So hold up. Grab the old cylinder, new cylinder. Like I said, don't forget your donut, guys. Take your donut. Throw your donut. Let me wipe this thing off. This thing a little nasty too. Gotta do a little quick little wash, wipe now, man. I ain't been leaking for a little bit, and then I've been over here parking in the dirt. So that ain't help matters none either. So like I said, guys, don't forget your donut. Don't forget your donut. Pull your cylinder right back up in there. So you grab your spring. Set that mammal jammer up in there. Then you just run your your bolt back into your cylinder, man. So everything stay locked down in place, guys. Ain't nothing to it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, cuz. Straight like that. Walk that back down. Down like that. And make sure y'all turn your cylinder around. We good on that part. So then just go back to the top, guys, and connect your line. Throw our line back on. Stick it up here. Throw your line back on there. Line back on there, guys. Such as so. Make sure you get it locked down in place. Locked down. Locked down in place, guys. Make sure your spring is. Also, make sure your spring is sitting where you want it to sit at, guys. Get it locked where it need to be at. Yes, sir. So we're gonna see if we can get a. Down on the ground a little bit, just enough to check our cylinders, guys. Just enough to check our cylinders. So just a couple times just to get it primed. That was quick. Let me get it off the jack stand. Off the jack real quick. So now, guys, we got her up, man. We're gonna start checking for leaks. Start checking for leaks. Make sure our cylinder ain't leaking down. Make sure our cylinder ain't leaking down, guys. She was dropping hard. So I don't see nothing up here leaking. Everything looking good. No seepage. Everything looking good, y'all. Everything looking good. So she holding. Got that bad cylinder out. Got that bad cylinder out. We gotta touch up. We gotta top off our brake fluid. I mean our hydraulic fluid. and then we should be all good, man. Bleed her out, and she should be straight. So y'all hold on real quick. Turn you back on. All right, guys. So we back, man. So this is the test, man. Your boy I went in the house, man. Took me a little break. I've been in this weather all day long, man. This is after work. So we got the cylinder. We pulled that cylinder apart. It didn't need to be rebuilt, y'all. That one was fine. The one on the truck was leaking. So, but hey, we still got a rebuild kit. So we're gonna rebuild that cylinder as well. No need to do another video on that. But here go the test, man. We got our I left her jacked up in the air. I left her raised up. We're gonna go out here now, man, and we're gonna start looking for leaks. Make sure ain't nothing leaking. And we're gonna go from there, y'all. So let's see what she looking like, man. Let's see what she's looking like. Is she up? Yes, sir. She's still up, guys. Let me flip y'all around real quick. She's still up. So we got that cylinder is fine. So yes, sir. There she go. She's standing up. She not dropping down. She not dropping down, y'all. She not dropping down. She looking good sitting up in the air. I gotta get my board from up under there. I feel like moving the truck. Leaking fluid all over my driveway. So yeah, she's standing, man. She is standing, y'all. So I ain't gotta worry about that no more, man. I do need to touch up my paint from that cylinder leaking, man. Messed up my paint a little bit, so I'll do that off camera. Ain't no need to show that again as well, man. So I guess this gonna be the end of it, man. So I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date on what we got going on. And share it as well, man. Let these boys know what we got going on in the 2-6, man. We'll catch you on the next one. We out.
Yeah, 2-6 switched up. Like, comment, and subscribe.